Jaishankar Sundari wrote his autobiography with the title Saubhagya Sundari Mari Karmakhani Thoda Aasu, Thoda Fool Natyab Katha.
Explanation: Jaishankar Sundari wrote his autobiography titled Mari Karmakhani. Jaishankar Bhojak, 1889 to 1975, popularly known as Jaishankar Sundari due to his iconic portrayal of female roles in Gujarati theatre, penned his life story. His autobiography is titled Mari Karmakhani, which means my life story or the story of my deeds. Saubhagya Sundari was a highly successful play in which Jaishankar Sundari played the lead female role, which became so popular that the title Sundari was permanently attached to his name. Mari Karmakhani is considered a valuable document detailing the history of Gujarati theatre and the life of one of its most celebrated artists.